Has this ever happened to you? Oh man, really wore out. Need to give me some caffeine. Yeah, this Red Bull would be nice, but it'd be a lot cooler if this refrigerator had stickers on it. Been there, or maybe this. Shoo-wee! It sure is hot out here today. I'm on hot! Feel sorry for that guy. If you don't want to be that guy, and you always want to have cool, frosty, refreshing refreshments when you come in from working, and you want to be cool doing it, well, check out what I've got for you. We've got customized Orca stickers because only cool people shop local. Ford emblems because this is a man's over-under refrigerator and freezer with ice maker. Also comes standard with 4 shelves and fully lit. It could be yours. All you gotta do is DM me in the PM, or you can text, don't call, I will not answer, or any other manner, you can come by here. I am taking trades. We're looking for an angler kayak that's probably in your way and probably could be replaced with this sweet refrigerator or anything else you've got. Hit me up, see what we can do.